Hi, everybody. This is John Harvey from CrashBay.com. I'm here today with Rick Francoeur of 360 Collision Centers
Thank
in
you.
Abbotsford, British Columbia. Rick, thank you for joining me today. Really excited to hear more about your business. And today is about you after all. So I'll just get started here with the questions that we had for today's 5 questions in 5 minutes with collision shop owners across North America. So Rick, why don't you start us off by telling us the history of your business and how you started in the industry?
Absolutely. Well, it started back in junior high when I used to sweep the floors at my dad's shop, is the honest to goodness truth. So I've been working in a body shop since I was 13. I won't tell you how old I am now, but I will say it's a long, long time. But in 2006, my brother and I finally joined forces, and we actually opened up what is still today the largest hot rod shop in the country. 2 years later, after we had opened, someone from the insurance company asked us if we would consider working on doing some insurance work. And my first knee-jerk reaction was, no, I really like the creativity and the freedom of building custom cars. My brother persuaded me to continue on with the collision business like I had been already doing for 25 years at that point. And then we started on that process. And I had said to Daryl, I said, if we're going to do this, we're going to have to do it right. And we're going to have to be able to have the attitude that we're going to strive to be number one. So today we're a fairly recognized collision center. We've got 11 OE certifications, a couple more on the go. And, we're probably the most equipped shop in the Fraser Valley. Our ratings are very high, and, we're hammering through it all.
Okay, great. Well, that's quite the history, Rick. So you've certainly lived through a lot of change in the industry, and diversifying from being a custom shop and then going into collision. And I'm sure you've seen a lot through the decades in your time in the industry. But today in 2020, we're living through unprecedented times with COVID-19, which we're living through right now. Can you talk a little bit about what you've done in your business to adapt to this new environment?
Absolutely. For us, it wasn't that hard because we're always moving and trying new things. And so for us, we sat down with the managers and decided with roughly 40 staff, we decided to split the shop in half. And then we run 312s. So my brother and I, who are owners, Daryl, he has B shift, I have A shift. And so actual fact, our hours of operation are substantially longer. Mm-hmm. Every precaution imaginable. We've got the screens and all the counters, and production's actually gone up. So throughout all the businesses with this model. So we've been very successful with it. Mm-hmm. And of course the theory is that if one of the groups got it, then we would go back to working 8 hours a day and we wouldn't miss a beat. And so far nobody has it. But we're realizing now that there is a lot more options for people with our longer hours, and it's actually been quite successful.
Because it sounds like you've implemented new processes and you've had to adapt, as I mentioned before. What do you think you'll retain in your business? So I don't think we'll ever go back to the way it was, but in the new normal, have you discovered better ways of doing business that you think will now be permanent features of how you run 360 Collision Centers?
Absolutely. I mean, Daryl and I, we always are looking at better ways. And, if you would have told me 6 months ago, you got to dig deeper, I would have said, well, I think I already have dug deep. And when you get yourself in this situation, you realize you are only touching the layer of the onion. There's a whole lot further away you can go. And we truly have done that. In fact, March was our most profitable month in the history of being in business for, 13 years. So who knew that was even possible? But it was our most profitable month to date. So clearly hopefully we were doing something right.
Well, folks, if you enjoyed that interview with Rick Francoeur of 360 Collision Centers, stay tuned for part 2 on our YouTube channel. This is one of many interviews with independent collision shop owners across North America, 5 and 5 with CrashBay.com. That's 5 questions in 5 minutes with independent collision shop owners featuring their independent brands.